Whisk together your egg yolks and sugar until it turns into a slightly pale yellow. Then add in your milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Sift in your cake flour, baking powder, and salt. In a very clean bowl, beat together your egg whites and cream of tartar. Make sure there are no traces of oil or egg yolks in your bowl, otherwise it will not whip up properly. Once you reach this foamy stage, gradually add in your sugar in about 3 to 4 batches. Continue beating on medium-high speed until you reach stiff peaks. If you underwhip your egg whites, your cake will not rise as much and you will get a very dense cake. Very gently fold in your egg whites in 3 different batches into your egg yolk mixture. Do not grease your pan because the cake needs to be able to cling to the edges to rise properly. Tap your cake pan on the counter a couple of times to remove any big air pockets. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. If you are using a different size pan, you will need to adjust accordingly. Once you remove the cakes from the oven, cool them upside down to prevent them from collapsing. Now prepare your filling as your cakes cool. I will be using fresh strawberries between the layers, as well as a quick mixed berry jam. You can skip the jam and just add fresh fruit. Cook your berries until the fruit has broken down and has thickened slightly. Now we are going to make a Chantilly cream, which is basically a fancy word for sweetened whipped cream. The whipped cream really complements the light, airy cake. If you accidentally overwhip your cream and it becomes grainy and broken, just drizzle in some cold unwhipped heavy cream and mix slowly. Once your cakes have cooled, you are ready to assemble.